I want to learn English. I want to travel the world. I want to buy a new car. I want to start my own business. I want to become a doctor. I want to read more books. I want to improve my cooking skills. I want to visit Paris. I want to learn how to play the guitar. I want to get a promotion at work. I want to adopt a pet. I want to save more money. I want to run a marathon. I want to lose weight. I want to learn to dance. I want to help others. I want to learn to drive. I want to move to a new city. I want to be happier. I want to make new friends. I want to learn a new language. I want to start a blog. I want to meditate daily. I want to be more organized. I want to volunteer more. I want to write a book. I want to eat healthier. I want to quit smoking. I want to learn to swim. I want to be more confident. I want to travel to Japan. I want to take better photos. I want to be more patient. I want to learn to sew. I want to watch less TV. I want to drink more water. I want to reduce my stress. I want to get more sleep. I want to build a house. I want to fix my car. I want to grow my own vegetables. I want to paint my house. I want to learn to play chess. I want to visit my family more often. I want to be a better listener. I want to improve my public speaking. I want to learn to bake. I want to spend more time outdoors. I want to take a photography class. I want to get a degree. I want to invest in the stock market. I want to learn to knit. I want to try new foods. I want to visit a museum. I want to take a yoga class. I want to learn to surf. I want to go camping. I want to play a sport. I want to learn to code. I want to write poetry. I want to visit Italy. I want to learn to play the piano. I want to take a road trip. I want to build a website. I want to get a pet. I want to learn to do magic tricks. I want to visit New York. I want to learn to play the violin. I want to be more productive. I want to write a screenplay. I want to take dance lessons. I want to be more mindful. I want to learn to juggle. I want to try rock climbing. I want to learn to make sushi. I want to visit a national park. I want to start a YouTube channel. I want to learn about astronomy. I want to run a 5K. I want to learn to play basketball.